First, Speaker P. Sriramakrishnan and Vinodini, wife of Kodiyeri Balakrishnan, Customs tightening its rope on CPIM thanks to Swapna. Even as the political climate heats up, the Customs is tightening its rope on the CPIM in Kerala. The Customs Department is slowly but steadily cornering high-profile Marxist leaders, including the Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. A sworn statement by Swapna Suresh, the prime accused in the gold import through the diplomatic channel case, has put the party in a fix. The gold import and allied cases, including dollar scam, has been a forgotten thing, and all were behind the elections slated on April 6th. But the big bang by the Customs Department has shocked all. The Customs Commissioner had scripted some shocking revelations in his affidavit filed before the Kerala High Court last day. The Customs Commissioner Sumit Kumar, in his deposition before the High Court, observed that Swapna Suresh fears torture in the jail. It said she has told Customs about the threat to her life if she would disclose the names of high-profile people involved in the case. The submissions in the affidavit also carries reproduction of the deposition made by Swapna Suresh in her 108 statement and another in her sworn statement under section 164 of the CRPC. Item number 9 in the affidavit of the Customs says the 108 and 164 statements by Swapna Suresh have made shocking revelations about the Chief Minister, the Assembly Speaker and 3 ministers. The Chief Minister had close connections with the former Consul General of the UAE and the illegal monetary transactions carried out. Swapna has also stated with clarity about smuggling of foreign currency at the instance of the Chief Minister and the Speaker with the help of the consulate. She had also clearly stated about the improper and illegal activities of the 3 ministers of the State Cabinet and the Speaker. She has also further stated about the involvement and the kickbacks received by high-profile persons from various deals. It's for the first time ever that the name of the Chief Minister is exposed in a case related to the gold import and dollar case. Now that Pinarayi Vijayan has been named in a 108 and 164 statements given by Swapna Suresh would mean a lot to Kerala politics. This attracts more importance and ramifications given the fact that the election is just a month away. And the 108 statement recorded by Customs amounts to an extrajudicial confession. The 164 statement is a sworn statement made before a magistrate. The department has sufficient legal teeth and constitutional protection as to frame a case and file a charge sheet against the Chief Minister and others. Customs has issued notice to the Speaker P. Sriramakrishnan to appear before them for questioning. It's obvious that they would summon the Chief Minister also for quizzing any time. No political demonstrations before the Customs could save him from moral and legal standing in the case. This would obviously put an end to his candidature in the elections. He would legally be barred from contesting the elections till he gets acquitted by a court of law. The Customs summoned Kodiyeri's wife Vinodini for interrogation. It has been found that one of the 6 iPhones gifted by Life Mission scam accused Santosh Eapen was with Vinodini Balakrishnan. The actions by Customs would be a great blow to the CPIM and the LDF who are hoping for retaining power. The coming days are crucial for the CPIM and also for the Customs Department. Let's wait and watch the golden battle. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.